people behind me. Nobody wants to be in front of the camera. We're gonna get a little oil pressure real quick. Okay guys, today's the day. We had a little difficulty the other day. Not a single tune in the Holly global files that are even close to what I got. So had to start from scratch. So, with that being said, got a little aggravated the other day. Really pressed for time, and I do my best work by myself, so I can think, scratch my head a little bit. I don't know why, just it is what it is. But I think I've built something here that might work. Maybe. So you know, used to it wouldn't bother me to ask somebody for help when it comes to tuning and stuff like that. I mean, I didn't know a lot. I'm not going to lie, I didn't know nothing. I've learned a little over the years. I don't know, pride, I guess. I've got several buddies around here that's got somewhat of a tune that I could have used, that I could have went and got, but it's just not how I am anymore, I don't guess. I don't know. I just soon do it myself. I take all the responsibility for everything I do. Don't blame it on nobody. I don't know. Plus, the learning experience that I get from it, to pass it on for the people that do need help or ask me for help, or when we do some kind of an install or something like that here, I figure it out. But yeah, like I said, I several buddies. I could have made a phone call and I could have went anywhere within a 5-mile radius and borrowed a tune and went from there, but I didn't. So sometimes it's just best for me to sit down make my own deal up and go from there. I don't know if it's right or not. It works, right? Only thing that I really don't do myself, I don't do a lot of my welding, you know, because I'm not a welder, but I got a good buddy, Eric Canady. He does all the welding on this thing and looks great. As far as the motor, the block work, stuff like that, Midwest Engines, Cape Girardeau, I know them guys. They've been around for years. John, he's a great machinist. He does my motors, my heads, all the machine work, stuff like that. I assemble it here in-house. Transmissions, I do all that myself. Rear end, the last rear end I did, I was a little pressed for time, and it was quicker for me to send it to Racer Brown, old drag racer from back in the day. He set up my center section for me. Before that, I did all my own rear ends, and after that, I'll do my own. I just won't work myself in a hole like I did last time. But everything's done right here. I do it all. Wiring, you name it, I do it. I don't know. I just hope this thing runs this year. I hope we do good. I had to set out all last year, and I don't like it. The wife's ready to race. I'm ready to race. Ready to meet up with the racing family. We race with a good group of guys. If I need them, I call them. Same way, if they need me, they call me. Now I'm just ready to get back in the swing of things. Hopefully it's a good year. Excited about 2020. I'm just ready to get the show on the road. We're gonna give it a whirl. Here goes nothing. good. All right, guys, that's it. Truck starts. We are excited. It's almost time to go racing. I got to give a couple shout outs. Hughes Performance, Pete Nichols hooked us up with dump valve kit. They're on board this year. Motionraceworks, them guys never cease to amaze me with their knowledge. They always have what we need. Give them a call if you got a question. Them guys are very smart. Aaron over at Scoggin-Dickey at the race shop, Aaron Shoaf, always takes care of us. Aaron's a great dude. Anytime I need anything, call him up. I don't even have to know what I want. Aaron's, he gives us what we need, takes care of us every time. Shout out to him. We'll be headed to the dyno this week. We're gonna go to Greg's tuning operation. Greg Adams, he's a good guy. We're gonna go over there and break his dyno record. Shouldn't take much since his truck's got the record, but stay tuned for that video. If you would, please, right now, go subscribe, like, comment, share it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.